Good morning, Bill Barnett here. I want to give you a tip that I've been using for years to build my business, and it involves this. Got to have some coffee early in the morning, and it involves possibly the single most important invention for making your business move forward other than the cell phone is your yellow pad. So every morning, and I try to do this outside when possible. You may be able to even hear I have a waterfall about 50 yards behind my house. And so I get this wonderful ambiance of being able to be outside early in the morning, nice quiet, hear some birds, every now and then hear a frog, get this waterfall going in the background. But your whole life you've heard people tell you, hey, you've got to work on your business, not in your business. That is something that used to drive me crazy. I called one of my mentors one time, I just said, look, stop saying that if you're not going to tell people how to do it. I want to tell you one of the ways to be able to work on your business, not in your business. Get you a cup of coffee, get you a yellow pad and a pen, go somewhere quiet early in the morning. Sit down, one question on your mind. What can I do today, right now, today, to move my business forward? If I'm doing that every day, what's going to happen? It's about a 15-minute exercise. If I'm doing this every day and writing down, you're going to find that through the course of days, you're going to get a lot of great ideas. Now, here's a key point. It doesn't matter what the idea is. You write it down. Do not try to think it through right now. Do not try to judge it right now. Write it down. Get it going. Commit it to paper. At the end of the week, we'll take some extra time and we'll go through the ideas that have come through the week. Some of them you're going to go, yeah, that's a little off the charts, and scratch it. Doesn't make any sense for you. You're going to come up with 4 or 5 ideas that you go, dead gum, that's pretty good. Those are game-changing ideas. They come from purposely spending time on thinking about how do I improve my business. That's your tip for the day. We'll see you over the hump.